Mum and Dad try to think of a way to use the microwave and coffee machine without it waking them up. Drogon and Rhaegal have survived another night. However, they're still Our New Holland Honeyeaters, Drogon and Rhaegal, or Drogsy and Razza, as I've been calling them, have made it to day 6 of their life. The baby birds Drogsy and Razza have survived to day 7 of their life. They're still very dependent on Mum and Dad for bringing them food, keeping them warm at night and paying for their data usage, but their vision is improving and they look like they're doing well. However, it's still going to be some time before they're independent enough to fly their way to higher ground. Drogsy and Razza are now 10 days old. Just like when I was a kid, they're celebrating their 10-day birthday by having Mum vomit partially chewed insects and nectar into the back of their mouth.